Well, parents of grade 7 8 students, welcome to the Google Classroom. At this point, your student should have logged into their account in Google Classroom and being prepared to go into a class. We are going to select grade 7 science to look at, so we'll click on that. Now we're in grade 7 science. We can see that there are a number of assignments here. If we'd like to see if they've been completed or not, we can go into View All right here and see if they're completed. Here we have a student's listing of all their assignments that they've completed, and we can see some have been turned in, some have been completed, and have been completed late, and we can see a number of different results. Over here we can take a peek at assigned. We can filter for returned with a grade or filter for missing. If the student is missing an assignment, it will say missing in red. If you'd like to look at a different class at this point, we can click on the three bars at the top here and select a different class. As you can see, a drop-down menu opens up where we can go to a number of different classes. At this point, we'll try grade 7 math. Once again, we have the option to click on upcoming and click on view all to see all the assignments that have been completed and the marks that they've been received for each one. In math, you'll notice that there are a lot of assignments that have been turned in and fewer that have been marked. That's due to the fact that we mark a significant number in class, and some marks are derived from in-class work, as well as tests and quizzes. Another powerful feature is to click on the three bars at the top and enter back into the to-do list. When we select the to-do list, we can see all the upcoming assignments that a student has yet to complete. Here we can see that this student has a number of missing assignments that they have yet to complete in a number of different subjects, from French to health. We can also see that there are some assignments that have been given from different groups as well. This student is involved in Tech Squad. And finally, the last place that I would like to take you is the main menu once again, and this time to select the calendar. And from the calendar, we can see their upcoming assignments that they have this week, and you can see any tests that they may have been placed in here, and it's their agenda. Thank you very much for watching this Google Classroom informational video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.